Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to save YouTube video in gallery. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to download Vidmate app. Open Google Chrome and search Vidmate app free download. Now click on first link and download Vidmate app. After installing the Vidmate app, open YouTube. Now search for the video hit you want to download. Click on Share button. Now click Vidmate. Select resolution in which you want to download video. After selecting resolution, start to download video. As you can see, the video is downloaded successfully. Now you can watch it anytime in your mobile gallery. Hope this video helped you out. Now please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Goodbye.